Here's a hot tip for you today on this beautiful sunshiny spring day, right? For your marriage, that you ladies can heal everything. It's true. I struggled for 26 years in my marriage, and I foolishly thought that pointing out what needed to change, aka complaining, would elicit change in my husband, but it never worked. Steer clear of that one, okay? So when he regularly wouldn't be home for dinner, when the kids were young, and I was so frustrated and felt alone raising them, well, complaining about it never brought him home any earlier. And when he was starting a business and not making enough money, well, presenting him with that pile of bills when he finally did get home that we couldn't pay, well, that just landed as a message that he wasn't cutting it as a provider. Dragging him then to counselor after counselor, that never worked either. Nope, if we weren't fighting when we got there, we were always fighting when we left. And several of them quit on us, telling us that they couldn't help, or that even told us, that we were destined for divorce. After we had spent thousands of dollars. They simply didn't have the specific skills that we needed to save our marriage. But we're celebrating 35 years today. Yay! When I discovered Laura Doyle and the Empowered Wife, I was blessed with a lifeline to specific skills that actually worked. And I went all in on training to become a marriage coach because I knew beyond a shadow of a doubt that women had the power to turn their marriages around, regardless of what their husband was doing or not doing. And then I studied to become a Catholic mindset coach, where I learned additional skills to take what Laura teaches to the next level as a Catholic coach. You see, as St. John Paul II taught, women have a feminine genius that gives them so much power as the heart of the home. Contrary to that feminist movement, which filled us with masculine energy, the truth is that when we rediscover who we are as women, whom God knew before we were in the womb, a loving, kind woman who reflects Christ in all that she does, that woman can transform her life and her marriage. Don't be the person who hates her life. I bet if you're honest, there are glimpses of what your marriage could be. Happy moments, connected moments, but you're missing the skills to bring it all together. That's what I teach women how to do, to transform their lives without dragging their men to counseling. Your marriage matters. It does, to me and to the rest of the world. We need you. Don't buy the lies. It's worth fighting for you, your husband, and your kiddos who need a solid foundation. If you've tried counseling with less than great success, don't give up. Try coaching. It's so different. Check out the video that actually I explain the differences, okay? I can empower you to create the marriage that you dreamt of when you said I do. Your best chance of having a better marriage is becoming a better wife. Marriage, well, it's going to be hard sometimes, and that's okay. It's time to learn how to navigate the good, the bad, and everything in between. So if you want to learn more about rediscovering your true self, let's connect. Schedule a complimentary call on my website at createmyhappymarriage.com, and let's get you on the road to living your best life. The one that God is calling you to, with more joy, more peace, more happiness, and yes, more love and intimacy. I'm Coach Carol, and I stand boldly for marriage and for you. God bless.